So hello guys and welcome back to another video. So as you all know, in this video we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin pump. So we're going to be analyzing a chart and a specific signal showing in Bitcoin right now, and we'll be talking about how that's going to affect the price of Bitcoin in the very near future. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we do that, please do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen and we are now on coinmarket.com and we are on the Bitcoin daily time frame. So as you can see, each candle is 1 day represented in the Bitcoin price movement, and we just have a couple of things drawn here, just a couple supports and resistance right here, and we have this signal that we are going to talk about now, this trend line, and this is a falling wedge pattern. So I have drawn these lines based on the trends and the prices that Bitcoin kept hitting on a regular basis. So Bitcoin hit this price line very much times, and this other trend line on the top. So this pattern is called a falling wedge pattern, and we have gotten a confirmed breakout on this falling wedge pattern. So we can see right here that this started in early January around the 10th to the 6th. So this is where the falling wedge pattern started, right here on the daily time frame. So keep in mind, this is a long time frame, and we have officially gotten this breakout right here. This green candle is our confirmation, and this another one is our confirmation that we have officially gotten a breakout to the upside, and we are likely headed in the upwards direction after this falling wedge pattern. So that is what we are likely to see in the very upcoming future. Now, if you aren't familiar with a falling wedge pattern, let's just take a look at that. And if we just look at this right here, rising trend, falling wedge right here, and a rising trend again. So what do we see here? A rising trend right here. So we can see just a uptrend kept rising, and then we saw this falling wedge pattern right here. Now this is a long-term trend, and we were in the rising trend for quite a bit of time, and we saw this trend during an upwards pattern. So a rising trend is where we saw right here. This area is the rising trend right here. Let me just draw a rectangle for a better look. So right here, let's color this differently. So let's color this red. Let's keep it red. And this is our before we got this rising wedge. So this is our rising trend right here. This green line is our current trend. And let's draw another rectangle right here. This is our pattern, and this is what we are currently seeing. Let's change this to green, and this is the before and after patterns of what we are seeing right here currently. This is in our trend, and this rising trend is what we are likely to see right now after we have gotten this confirmed breakout. So we are likely to see this very soon. Let's just color this a different color, and we will see this pattern very soon in the green, and we are likely to see this in the upcoming times. Now we don't have a specific price target that we are seeing in this trend, but we are likely headed in the upwards direction. So this is what we can see right here. This before the trend, our upgoing trend, our rising trend, and then we see the falling wedge pattern. So let's take a look at this on this chart right here. So a rising trend, a downwards correction as a falling wedge, and a rising trend again. So rising trend, a falling wedge right here, and a rising trend again. Now we do have price targets. We know obviously it is Bitcoin is likely headed to the above this $47,000 range in the long term, but this isn't a short term target. We are likely having to wait just a couple bit of time in order to see this price target achieved, but we are likely headed in the positive direction in the very near future, and this in the daily time frame, so we might have to wait a couple weeks for this trend to play out and for us to see new price targets being hit in Bitcoin. So that was it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about how Bitcoin is seeing a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame, and how we analyzed what price targets we could see and what we could predict in the upcoming days and weeks for Bitcoin. So we went over that in this video, and we talk about what signals we are currently seeing. So that was it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, I do more long form content like this on this channel, talk about any recent crypto news, any recent price movements, and anything patterns that we are seeing in the crypto community right now in those videos. And I also do daily crypto live streams on this channel, talking about the recent price changes of any recent cryptocurrencies, any trending cryptocurrencies that we can see, and we analyze the graphs of those cryptocurrencies on the live stream daily on this channel. So do make sure to tune in daily on those live streams. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what type of videos you guys want to see in the future, and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.